Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be messing around with some Halloween makeup stuff, a mermaid look, or try to do a mermaid look. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe. I do makeup looks at least once a month. I have a full-time job, so I try to post in between on my days off and stuff like that. I'm going to start this look out with like a quick foundation routine. Okay, so some items I used on my face: the Photo Focus Wet n Wild foundation, the Instant Age Rewind concealer under my eyes. I also used the Fit Me Loose Setting Powder under my eyes and all over my face, and just a little bit of bronzer, and then I did my eyebrows with Total Temptation brow definer. So I'm gonna go on and we're gonna do a purple eye look. So to get started, I'm gonna do a dark purple in my crease. Then just a quick easy, I'm gonna go with this duochrome on my lid. And then I'm going to take just a darker blue to deepen up the outer V of my eye. So now that this eye is done and complete, I'm going to do some touch-ups later. Once I do the face makeup, I'm going to do this other eye off the camera. Okay, so now that my eyes are done, I wish you could see it better in the camera, but like the purple here shifts from like purple to blue, and then this is all blue. And then I just added some highlight on my brow bones and the inner corners. So now we're gonna get to, I'm gonna shade my face purple where my contours would be. Just contour just a little bit purple. I'm going to highlight my face so when I try to highlight later it doesn't wipe the stencils away. Wet n Wild Blossom Glow. My face looks so crazy. Then I got the stencil on, and I'm putting on purples, the darkest in there, and then I'm gonna get lighter as I go out. So I'm trying the Wet n Wild Loose Pigment in the Night's Blue. It reflects a little bit of purple, so I'm putting that, and that's just going on top of like the purple pieces. Now I'm gonna go with a lighter purple, go above that, then I'm gonna go in with my highlight color and go in above that. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. The great reveal. Ta-da! So I'm going to do that on the other side as well, starting with the darker purples to the lighter shimmery, so it lightens up as it goes up. And I'll be right back. So now the stencil is starting to get a line, so I'm gonna fix that up, and then I'm gonna put on some lipstick and we'll fix up our eyes a little bit. Okay, this is where my overboard gene takes over and it just looks a hot mess. Well, I guess I'm gonna finish my eyes. I look crazy. So I put on this poncho that looks like a fishing net, and I'm officially the Little Mermaid. Nothing some eyeliner and some highlighter and mascara couldn't fix. But this part looks a little crazy. But other than that, I'm pretty proud of myself. But am I officially the Little Mermaid? Where's my thingamabob? Anyways, thank you guys for watching so much. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications when I upload, because we all know I don't upload regularly. But I appreciate you watching. I may do a skull look. My birthday is on Sunday, so I'm going to try to fit in one more video for Halloween. But continue watching, guys. I appreciate your like and love and support, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!